If you're the type who loves a little dose of inspiration without the cringy self-help vibes, I recommend one of the Affirmator decks. This one here is for creativity. It's a deck of 50 affirmation cards designed to spark your imagination. It's not your typical vision board stuff. Comedian Susie Barrett teamed up with illustrator Naomi Sloman to craft these little cards that they feel like a gentle nudge. They're Pinteresty worthy pick-me-ups that encourage you to tap into your creative energy with wit and warmth, I'd say. Each card delivers a message that's both uplifting and quirky, perfect for a quick creative reset when you're stuck on a project. And I like these cards because there's no heavy spiritual jargon or overly earnest positivity. They're cute and they're fun. The deck comes in this compact, easy to shuffle situation here. Also great for gifting, and they have other decks with other themes, relationships, work, family, and more. This one has special appeal for artists, writers, and anyone who wants inspiration with a wink. No rules on how to use these, really. There are some suggestions in the box, but you've got some bonus cards in here. You could take that before you take your other card, or just one a day, 3 a day, whatever. Yeah, they give you these lovely, cute, quirky messages that add a little uplift to my day. I really enjoy these. Hope you do too.